Alright, so today is May 31st, 2022. Recap on how I traded today. Um, well, it was an okay day, but there were some stupid trades that I took. I wasn't too happy with, and a lot of it had to do with should I say, just not. I guess I was just not in the right frame of mind, if anything. All right, so I mean, this is Friday's chart. We had Monday. Um, Essentially, we had a half day on Monday, and then over the night we did this, and then we did this. This is the Globex high, Globex low. This was our opening, and I learned something today. The session starts here, so you use that as a Globex level. Initially, I was going to use this level, but actually, this is a level because this is the session here. All right. So, what what happened today? Um, so this was a very strong open. It was very climatic. Almost looked like it was the start of a bear trend. However, it is very climatic, and if you think of it this way, this is the bull rally from Friday, and you can see we started to wedge. And whenever we have a reversal, the test is usually the bottom of the wedge, which is here. I took it short actually over here, made some money over here. Um, got this, took it short again. I'm not sure it was over here, but this could have been a really good entry short there. Anticipating that this is the wedge top. At the time, I didn't see this as a wedge top, but this was the not wedge top, but this was the pullback in the wedge. A nice double top here, and then a second drop. So, yeah, so this would have been a good short as well. I can't remember what I did, but I think I was looking for a third leg. So I was in short here below this bar. This went up, and I got out. Didn't want to wait for the test. I noticed we had another bull bar, and I thought, okay, something has changed because we just have a double bottom below the moving average. And then I realized, and it was then I now realized that this was what we were testing, and so therefore it made sense that we would buy the lows. Um, and I wasn't anticipating that, and I should have. Went up, had a wedge top here. At the time when I took this short, I shorted here, around about here, got out. Actually, just before I do that, I remember saying to myself and even to the group that I think the high should be here, not here. If you put your stop here, we're probably coming back all the way up here. Um, so I took this short, and I noticed there was a lot of hesitation around here by bears, and there it just kind of really dawned on me because I measured the range between um, this low and the this high. It was only 38 points, and I thought that's such a small range. We're probably going to use this as the range, and therefore it makes sense why no one wants to sell here. Um, anyway, so I held through this. This was actually my 10-point target. This was 15 points or so, but then I got out round about here. My entry was around here, so I didn't really make much there. Just a bit of a disappointment. Um, then we had this big, massive bull surprise. I didn't trade it. I took a short here, got in short here, got out there for 10 points. And at this point, I thought we were probably going to go down. We tested the MA, and then we went back up, had a double top, a nice little wedge, came down again, wedge bottom, double bottom. So we're already getting into a trading range of sorts. And then we had a third high up, which is also the third from here, 1, 2, this whole region, and 3. So that now I wasn't here watching the market. This is where I entered short just below this bar and held it down somewhere here. And that was pretty much my day. Here I just scalped pretty much. Didn't really have a plan of what I wanted to do. And I think I was tired, which is why I started messing up here. I took a short here, I can't remember, roundabout here. What was it here? I can't remember. I was just scalping, and the scalping was just stupid because I was winning and losing, and I realized at that point I was just making mistakes, messing up. Anyway, so I actually took a while I was doing that, I went into a paper trade, entered short here. I've been holding this because I realized if this is the first down, it's a pullback. Second down, this is the pullback. We should probably get a third. I'm also in another paper trading short, following the same trade. So I ended up taking it there. That's pretty much the same idea. But anyway, yeah, so as I said, this is the spike, pullback, and this is 1, 2, and possibly we'll make a third tomorrow. The only reason why I have such conviction for that is because I looked at this chart and I thought, oh my gosh, this is pretty much how I normally see this market. Maybe it is 3 legs down, maybe it's 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3, maybe this is the third leg. And maybe what I'm doing is, maybe this is the third leg, and then we could reverse. I'm not entirely sure. But the point is, if we break this high, we should start rallying. All right, so that's my recap. So I guess I could do the same here. If I map this and count these legs up. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Maybe we might reverse, maybe we might go higher. Only God knows. All right, I'm gonna stop now.